She's showing us how deep it is. It's very deep. We haven't had so much rain. This is like the 4th time it's rained today. Look at that. That looks so cool. See how good jumping in the water? Here she comes back. Must not have been nothing good in the dumpster. It's my turn. I'm going to get in the water. Oops, I chopped your head off. Look at that.
There's just a bunch of wood and
It's my turn. I want to go out and kill you.
oh, yeah. Really?
Yeah, I know.
She wanted to play too. She wanted to play too. Whee! Whoa, be careful! Wild woman.
Now my shoes are clean.
Oh, sorry, do that again. How cute.